Hey everybody, welcome to the DRich show. This is DRich. First off, I just always want to welcome everybody in. Welcome my audience to the channel. Welcome for the new subscribers. If you have already subscribed to the channel, continue to follow me and listen in. So I really appreciate you guys. For you guys that are just finding my videos, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button as well as the notification bells. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing very well on this Friday. I'm sorry for producing a late video. Sometimes timing for me is a little bit off based on the fact that I do have another job where I work significant amount of hours, and my downtime for sleep is absolutely necessary. There's no excuses made here. But at any rate, guys, I needed that rest so that I could try to provide you with some good content. All right. So anyway, happy Friday. I hope everyone again is doing well wherever you might be across the world, whether you be here in the United States, whether you be in Eurozone, wherever you are. I just want to, say happy Friday. Happy Friday. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the coin market cap because again, no later than 2 days ago, we were talking about the market being red and a good buying opportunity. Bitcoin right now is dominating at 67.9%. Okay, so that's a little bit less than from what it was the other day at 69.70%. But that really doesn't mean anything because it still has a lot of domination in the market. Okay, Bitcoin is currently trading at $36,146.83, down over 9% in the last 24. Ethereum still at $1,156, and XRP is at 28 cents of the time of recording. Polkadot sitting at number 5, $13.30. And you know what? Next week I'm going to bring out some information about Polkadot. I'll cover it because when you see a price move and you kind of took it lightly, that you could have had some gains. I want to do some investigation because I did that. I had the same ideas about Polkadot as I did Cardano, but I did get into Cardano, and I do have a nice healthy bag of that, so I'll stick with it. Sitting at 30 cents on number 6, $140.50 for Litecoin. At number 7, Bitcoin Cash came down a little bit below 500, $480.87. And 9 and 10, you got Chainlink and you got Stellar. So guys, if you guys are looking for buying opportunities, maybe not so much Chainlink because it's getting up there. I think that we are looking at an all-time high right there, up over 13.3% in the last 24 hours. And trading at number 11, you got $40.54 Binance Coin BNB, which is down. So if you guys are into those things, those type of coins, stable coins or whatnot, to help you trade in and out of assets, I'm all about it. But anyway, guys, you can see a little bit of green here and there. Cosmos is doing magnificent. So I got some of that as well. But anyway, guys, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and do your own research in regards to the assets that you might want to put into your portfolio, whether it be something that you trade, whether it be you hold it like I do. So anyway, there's a new federally chartered digital asset bank in the United States. Okay, and we'll go ahead and get right into the article. I don't want to make too long of a video because I got to get ready to get up out of here for work, and I want to leave you guys with a good impression for the week. But at least I can say that for this week, we were as consistent as possible, promoting a video every single day, and we'll continue to do so. Okay, the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency has granted conditional approval to the digital crypto custody platform Anchorage, creating the first federally chartered digital asset bank in history. So guys, these things are going to be popping up rather fast, and we're going to start seeing more and more pop up. So this is not the first one. Okay, Anchorage digital bank is the first entity to have both the tech and the regulatory clarity that serious institutional participation in crypto demands. Co-founders Nathan McCauley and Diogo Monica wrote in a blog post after the announcement. So guys, I mean, look, we're moving fast. So, right here, if this bank is getting clarity to custody digital assets and things like that, we're going to see the space take off rather quickly. So this is from the Motley Fool, and I'll leave that in the description for you guys to go over if you need to go over it. And I'm pretty sure you've already heard about it on Twitter or other content creators. Go ahead and listen to those guys, get some other information. I'm not the only information. I just have a different perspective or a different view, which is totally fine, and I respect that. Anyway, Coinbase invest in the new U.S. crypto mining pool, Titan. All right, and we'll go ahead and hit some of these points real quick. Titan is currently in a beta testing phase, which is scheduled to end in February per email from CMO Phil Gomes. Among the clients currently testing the pool are mining giant Core Scientific. Titan CEO Ryan Condren called Coinbase's investment a powerful endorsement of his new mining pool. The terms of the Coinbase investments were not disclosed, and Titan is not Coinbase Ventures' first mining investment. In late 2018, the company also backed in-home mining hardware startup CoinMine. So I heard a little bit about that before, and I think that mining is going to take off here in the United States, where it's going to be able to put money into people's pocket for fees and things like that, from my understanding. So at the end of the day, if you're into mining, great. If not, I just wanted to put this out there in the article. And lastly, I wanted to go over this because this is very important for all you crypto hodlers or holders to be sure to pay attention to what you're doing when it comes to your keys and your assets. And this article states that a U.S. man forgets passwords to his $300 million Bitcoin wallet. Now, guys, I don't know about you, but I don't know how you forget your passwords. This is not something that you need to remember. This is something that you need to write down, store, keep in a safe place, and make sure that no one else has your passwords, your keys, or anything having to do with your assets. You are in control, and you need to make sure you're responsible. So anyway, remember when we said Bitcoin has surged past 50,000 for the first time? Well, it's fallen a bit since then, but that's not why we're here. We're here to tell you about this silly U.S. man. I'm not calling the guy silly, okay? I'm just saying he's forgetful based on what, the headliner says. I'm not calling names. Who forgot the passwords to his USD $245 million Bitcoin wallet. He's locked out with only 2 guesses left until the wallet is wiped clean for good. Will Stephen Thomas, a German-born programming living in San Francisco, cash in big time, or will he lose it all? Guys, I'll follow this story to see what happens. It says that he got to a point where I said to myself, let it be in the past, just for your own mental health. I don't know if I can be mentally healthy if I lost $300 million. When it comes to cryptocurrency or my digital assets that have matured, where I can actually do things that will be life-changing. So guys, always keep your keys. We talked about, Ledger. We talked about the EliPal. We talked about the Trezor yesterday. Those are some things that you can store your assets on. So, look at ledger.com. Those websites that I mentioned in the description yesterday to go ahead and get you, something set up and secure. And remember, if you have a set of keys here, you want to make sure you have a set of keys somewhere else, but you know where they are, and only you. Okay, again, there's nothing to share. There's nothing for anybody to know anything about your stuff. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video because, again, I have to do the rendering and I have to get it uploaded and as fast as possible within the next hour and a half or so that I gotta hit the road. So anyway, guys, I just want to thank you for again subscribing to the channel. Okay, if you guys are more interested in the podcast, you could go ahead and listen to the DRich Show on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, iTunes, you name it, for listening purposes only, without the content attached. All right, follow me on Twitter at DRich5531, Gab.com, which is the same, at DRich5531, and I'll be posting up on some other platforms as well, just to make sure that we have a broader base and bring more people into the subscribership, so that we can get that voice out to you guys. Hopefully it's some good information. Go ahead and share my information if you think someone else would like it, and tune in for the time being, I guess. So anyway, guys, have a wonderful weekend. I always like to encourage all of my listeners and subscribers, whether you are you've been here from the beginning, whether you are brand new, to all the 50 subscribers that I have currently. You know what? Thank you so much. You know what? That means I have to work 50 times harder now, which is great. So when more numbers come in, those numbers have to increase my effort, my energy to produce quality content and video. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, again, thanks for tuning in. That's my time. Have a wonderful weekend. Do something always do something fun, new, and exciting. I think I got a couple good things planned up for myself this weekend. So I'll go ahead and report back to you on Monday. Anyway, God bless, take care, and always remember, guys, to treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.